This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for that perfect kick. Make sure your butter is melted and warm, around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, but not sizzling hot. Next, set up a double boiler. Place a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water, making sure the bowl's bottom doesn't touch the water. Add your egg yolks and lemon juice to the bowl. Whisk continuously until the mixture becomes light, frothy, and slightly thickened. This gentle heat is crucial to cook the eggs without scrambling them. Now for the magic. Slowly, very slowly, drizzle in your warm, melted butter while whisking vigorously. This is the key to a stable emulsion. Continue whisking until all the butter is incorporated and the sauce thickens to a beautiful, creamy consistency. It should be smooth and glossy, without any separation. Patience here is truly a virtue. Finally, season your freshly made Hollandaise sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking. This rich, velvety sauce is best served immediately. It's perfect over eggs benedict, steamed asparagus, or pan-seared fish. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.